We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments. To give recognition to the worth and beauty of Brian Robert DeMarco and Lindsey Nicole Carlton by uniting them in marriage.
Guys, thanks for coming. I really appreciate you being here to support me on my special day. Wouldn't want to spend this day with another group of guys, so I really appreciate it. I love you guys, and here's to the next step. Cheers.
Cheers, buddy. Cheers.
Lindsey. Oh boy. You're a winner, babe. In my book, and maybe never more so than tonight. And you're such a beautiful young woman, and your mom and I, we love you so much, and we couldn't be more proud or happy for you. So, we love you, babe.
You are my best friend and biggest supporter, and today you become my wife.
You are my best friend and biggest supporter, and today you become my husband.
I promise to encourage and inspire you, and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle.
I promise to love you in good times and bad.
When life seems easy and when it seems hard.
I am forever yours.
Lindsey, I give you this ring as a reminder that I will love, honor, and cherish you.
I give you my heart and my promise.
That I will walk with you hand in hand.
Wherever our journey leads us.
And I remember looking at Bev and I go, who knew Lindsey was dating Jason Bourne?
I got ish to do, flying through the sky in my parachute, dancing on the couch like I'm Tommy Cruise, on a one-man mission trying to see it through, yeah.
Honeymoons do not last. Arguments are never final. It's the love you have for each other today and forever that matters.
I figured the best way to express our relationship would be through interpretive dance. So cue the music. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm living my best life, living my best life. So come and get it like I'm living my best life, my best life.
Brian very quickly grew up to be a super mature, super responsible individual. So when I started high school, a lot of the teachers, they'd see me walk into the classroom and they'd say, "Oh, we got a DeMarco, we're so excited." They were horribly wrong.
I'm living my best life, living my best life. So come and get it like I'm living my best life, my best life.
You know, you can always count on Brian. He's always been the, kind of the rock in the center of the family. And I think we can all agree today that his most crowning achievement was locking up Lindsey.
Perfect timing, sun is shining, nothing more I need, yeah.
Me and Elise always hoped that she would move back to Kansas City and that we would get our girl back. But I'm so thankful that you're the one that is taking over for us to care for her.
I'm living my best life, living my best life. So come and get it.
We decided to create a list entitled Dream Guy. So first, and obviously the most important, was hot bod, six-pack, arm muscles, and just muscles all over his body. I wish you a lifetime of health and happiness.
These things I give to you today and all the days of my life.
You gotta say that one again.
And now pronounce you two husband and wife. Brian, you may kiss your bride.